In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete multiple bookmarks on Google Chrome. Quick guide. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access your saved bookmarks. If you usually keep important websites saved in the bookmarks bar, you will likely see them right away near the top of the browser window. Once you have located a bookmark you want to delete, move your cursor over it and right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several options related to that bookmark. In that menu, select Delete. As soon as you click Delete, the bookmark will be removed from Chrome. To delete multiple bookmarks, repeat that same action for each one you want to remove. Find the bookmark, right-click it, and choose Delete. If you are clearing out several saved links, it helps to go through them one by one so you do not accidentally remove something important. If your bookmarks are inside folders, the same method still works. Open the folder, locate the bookmark, right-click it, and then select Delete. Continue this process until you have removed all the bookmarks you no longer want. That covers everything you need to know.